around every 3 or 4 generations. We know in our bones that our democracy is at risk, and we know that this is your moment to defend it. The American people prove once again that democracy is who we are. There is a strong rejection of election. Racism, anti-Semitism, homophobia, transphobia, they're all connected.
Some Democrats are concerned about Harris's shaky first 2 years in office. Trump led Biden 43% to 41% in that same poll, though the 2 percentage point difference was Harris would face other big challenges. If promoted to the top of the ticket, she would have barely 3 months.
There's been a wave of public and private pressure from Democratic against Donald Trump, his Republican rival.
If he would stay in his role as president and commander-in-chief until his term ends in January.
U.S. President Joe Biden has ended his faltering re-election bid.
We're going to cut the deficit point out by another $300 billion with the Inflation Reduction Act over the next decade.
Listen, I have been privileged and proud to serve as Vice President of the United States with Joe Biden as President of the United States. And what I saw that...
The billionaire cited the California gender identity law as the, quote, final straw. Week endorsed Republican Donald Trump for president. Wedbush Securities Managing Director Dan Ives said there's nothing random. With these steps, the world's richest man will have relocated Tesla and most of his companies to Texas. He changed his own residence. Musk in recent years has become outspoken on politics. He often criticizes the Biden administration and Democrats that SpaceX's main office would move to an existing facility in Boca Chica, Texas, while X would move to Austin, but the extent to which jobs are facilitated.